morning, guys. Oh, hon, you didn't even look?
Drive 0.1 miles, then turn right.
We're heading to doctor appointment.
Skunk.
For my husband. Skunk in this time, you saw it.
Squashed.
Oh, squash already? Oh, like poor skunk. Poor skunk. Poor skunk.
Turn right.
Yeah, and we are heading to my husband's doctor appointment.
That's what I ever wanted to do in life. I never wanted to see doctors at all. Now I gotta see one every fucking diagnosed. Never see a doctor to see him constantly.
Yeah. My husband and I is the same thing. We don't want to go. We don't want to see doctors. And we don't have a choice. We don't have a choice. We need to go. Already 10:37. I don't vlog for a few days, a few weeks already. I think 2 weeks. When did we went to Jersey?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know if you unblog for how you lose people. Let me stop watching.
So it's nice. Oh, it's very hot, but it's nice.
It's hot.
It's nice.
3 miles, then turn right.
My husband doesn't like hot, but he don't have a choice. Ice storm?
I gotta take ice storm any day.
Oh, I can't wait for winter though.
Yeah, in a minute it gets here, you'll be complaining that you wish it was summer. Like everybody else that way.
Is this your first time to go to this doctor?
That's why I'm supposed to get that early. Fill out all the unnecessary paperwork.
But they send you the paperwork already.
I know, but apparently there's more.
What are you doing?
Tell me.
It tells you to turn there. Oh no, it's over right there. Maybe it's in the gasoline station. Is it here? It's a woman driver.
Drive 0.2 miles, then turn right.
Oh, what do you mean? This is it here.
This is the lab.
No, this is not the lab. This is the place that you went.
No, it's the lab. I want to get the x-rays. Slicker.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Arriving at destination on right.
Warren, this is the one. Is it nice town? You see that? Because I'm hoping there's not serious and I'm hoping.
I was going to go that way, but I'm not being behind that guy anymore.
It's very slow.
He's in one line. He's driving like shit. What else? Sub-Zeros. General Electric.
What is the energy?
Original.
Energy is the brand, or energy is just something?
Energy. When you see an Energy Star label, that just tells you that it just tells you that it uses less energy. In other words, UL listing means it's 50% more than it needs to be. So it can withstand 50% more abuse than is required. That's UL.
UL.
Alright. This is pulling too much of that wire.
Yeah, it's gonna cut the thing.
Yeah. And since it's very hard to find these long wires, I don't want to do that.
You buy a lot of wires, some of it doesn't work quick.
Yeah, I know. This one's going to wind up being one of them.
You put that in micro center, right?
Yeah. I'm going to try and find another microcenter.
I wanted a father who loved me as much as he loved Bryn. I hope you find her.
Hi guys. I'm cutting olives because my husband is making some Spanish something. Spanish rice.
Something like you, person who lives on rice, you couldn't remember that name?
And my husband is peeling some garlic.
That's my whole clothes,
Which
my whole
is-
head right there. Doesn't look like much, does it?
Takes forever for him because he's not used to that.
I am used to. I've been doing it a lot longer than you've been alive on.
But you guys are always getting the one that's already peeled.
No,
The jar.
That's more recent. This is the way we always did it.
But in the Philippines, it's
No, I don't use it.
smaller. Small garlic. This one is bigger. It's easier.
You got a story for everything.
You too. You have a story for everything. You know that you see a small garlic, kind of like the small garlic, the strong one. That's what we have.
You don't even use garlic.
Filipino don't use garlic. You know everything is garlic over there. Don't even see that.
You just throw a stinky fish in the plate and you're good.
Yeah, right. He always says something about Philippine food, that it's not good.
Not good. Are you kidding?
He keeps saying that it's not good. I don't know why.
When you came here and I started cooking, you said, "Oh, you put too much garlic. Too much garlic. You put too much garlic. Oh, that's not good. No, too much garlic." So you kept a lot of people. I don't know why you're saying that. You always used to tell me that. Remember?
Mm.
No, you don't remember?
I don't remember because I never say that.
Don't be whispered to your internet people.
Look at this. This is what I'm doing. Cutting some stuff. Yep. Cutting some stuff.
You don't have any peppers.
Huh?
You don't have any peppers.
Peppers?
Peppers.
Us? We don't have peppers?
I don't remember buying any.
Oh, you need some?
Do we have?
I bought some for something.
Shall we?
Yeah.
I don't remember buying any.
So, how you like green, right? Don't use the red one because it's only one red.
No, there's a green one. Right?
Then there is green in there.
Okay.
You need one, right? Two.
One.
Mm.
Peppers don't give it any taste.
So why put it in
Or
there?
very little taste. So I overdo the things that give it taste. I don't overdo the things that just give it color.
Green doesn't give color.
Well, when the rice is orange, the green is color.
Red is nice.
What?
Red.
Yeah, but
color.
red is not as much color in orange rice. Red and orange are close to the same.
Why does Spanish rice turn orange?
From the sofrito and the tomato sauce.
And I will help my husband because he's doing slow motion right now.
In slow motion, I'm peeling the skin off the garlic.
It's slow motion. It's slow motion. Sooner your cat will say, "Where's my food? Where's my food?" Guys, it's you don't have any idea. I have my monthly thing now. Finally, getting. I have it today. It's painful like crazy. I took Advil this morning before we left. So we went to my husband's appointment, and what happened? Oh, look at my cat behind the curtains. It's looking at me like, "Mommy is talking." What happened? What happened? Anyway, yeah. And now the pain is attacking me again. And I took another Advil. I hope it will help because I have the dysmenorrhea is makasira ng mood. Makasira sa mood. So yeah, I just helped my husband a little bit of what he's doing, clean up a little bit of his mess, and yeah. Guys, I'm still here, and yeah, I'm here, and my husband is cooking. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna see him now.
I get the flavors inside the chicken.
I don't get it.
Get the flavor inside the chicken.
Because you don't.
How many years you here? I cooked every day when I came home from work. I would cook. I would cook for the next day if I was working all night.
Yeah, I'm so lazy,
how many
guys. Like,
years?
I'm so lazy, guys. I don't even cook that day. I just like he get home late, like 7 o'clock. I'm still waiting for him. Like, we don't eat until he get home. I don't know what's going on with me that time. Right, my love?
Yeah.
Because I cook my stuff like dried fish, Filipino dishes, but they're Italian. And they cook pasta, and I don't know how to do it. I don't even know how to boil before. Like, I
told you all these things, and now you're just better than me. Figure that out.
the truth is I don't know how to make steak before, and now I'm good with it. I'm better than my husband. And that's the truth, because my husband, every time he makes steak, he always like burn it. Me, the people who eat like rare, they love it. But me, I always kill my steak. I like dead. See? So yeah. Oh, you told me I'll tell you if it's beeping, right? It's outside. Hold on, guys. And I'm back. I'm backing
You told
up.
me I messed with the chicken the other night. Everybody loved it, even you.
Yeah, the chicken
Even
is
you- and you
no.
told me I
That
messed up
chicken
with
is
the
pre-seasoned, and then you just add seasoning. It makes it better.
How about I just cook it the way it came seasoned and you tell me what it tastes like?
No, I don't want. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky to have my husband. He's a good guy. He's the best husband.
Yeah.
Mwah, I love you.
Yeah, we do.
Thanks for cooking, my love.
No problem.
And thanks for telling me to take Midol every time I have my days. I have my days.
Thanks
Because
for listening after 2 years.
no, it's not 2 years. It's almost like it's like 5 years, because now it's 6 years. I just started it this year, really, because I just take the pain. I don't care because I'm used to that.
And then you told me the
Since I
Midol
was
makes it
12
more
years
pain
old.
longer.
Yeah, and the pain and the menstruation.
Not true.
And And the days of demonstration, it takes forever now. It's supposedly just 3 days, now it takes a week.
Nothing to do with the Milo.
No, it takes, yeah, it's because of the Milo, huh?
No, it's not.
We're having chicken leg. That's not cocosing.
Oh, correct.
Cocos.
I got the other-
Cocos.
I got the other chicken inside. Just
Huh?
add it to it.
Huh?
Got a couple pieces of the other chicken. I'm gonna add it to it.
Oh yeah, we still have like 3 pieces plus the lamb plus the steak. The only 2 left. My husband's having scotch. Scotch. Yeah. Okay, I'm going back inside, okay? Unlock your rice, okay? We're just finished having dinner. And my husband is a good. It's dark in here, you can see our face. So, you guys can't see me. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye, Han. Good night. Good night, guys.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.